है पानी? अच्छा, ठीक, thank you.
Remember, in the previous part, I told you that we will trek through these mighty boulders to reach the scenic views of Tungbhadra River. So now, let's continue that adventure. Guided by the resort staff, we start our trek through the mighty boulders. The climb is not easy. These rocks are huge and steep. Each step tests your balance and strength. At times, I needed a helping hand to move upward while holding on to my son with the other. The resort has carefully carved steps along the path, making the trek easier and safer for visitors. Along the way, our guide stopped to show us a tree that thrives naturally among these boulders, the black Jamun. He plucked a few fresh fruits and offered them to us.
Thank you.
Sweet and sour in taste, these wild jamuns added a refreshing touch to our journey, a simple gift from nature amidst the rugged trail. Just a little further on the trail, our guide pointed towards the river. He told us that a 12-feet crocodile often rests here on the boulders. Though the mighty reptile was not visible at this moment, knowing that such a powerful creature shares this landscape added a sense of awe and thrill to our journey.
Okay.
In case you are wondering, the unique landscape of Hampi is shaped by massive granite boulders, some balancing precariously over others. They are actually granite hills formed underground millions of years ago when molten rock slowly cooled and solidified beneath the Earth's surface. Over time, erosion by wind, rain, and temperature changes cracked and weathered the granite into the rounded boulders we see today. Meanwhile, the silence of the boulders was broken by the sound of rushing water. The same river that appeared so calm yesterday now revealed its other face, lively and powerful. Even among these giant rocks, small plants and trees grow. Over time, rain and soil trapped in the cracks make it possible for life to survive in this rocky land. The trail opened up to a beautiful sight, the river. To make the journey easier, the resort has built a narrow concrete trail across the river. This simple pathway allows visitors to cross safely and reach the far side, where the waterfall view awaits. With each step, the sound of water grew louder, echoing through the boulders. And soon, the source was before us. A small, gentle waterfall. Not very big in size, yet its lively flow added a refreshing charm to the rocky landscape. After enjoying the waterfall and river view from the front, I moved on to the narrow trail, likely built by the resort, to capture the waterfall from behind and to experience the calm waters up close. The walk was thrilling, even a little risky, knowing that a crocodile is known to be in these waters. Yet the view from here offered a rare and striking perspective of this serene landscape. I spent a few moments in the calmness of the water, before moving once again towards the river's rowdier side. Our next stop brought us to a striking sight. During the monsoon, the river rises above these boulders, and the fast-flowing water carves wave-like patterns into the rock. The surface still carries the marks of this powerful flow, making the path uneven and slippery. With that, our trek came to an end as we made our way back to the resort. The journey through boulders, rivers, and the hidden waterfall gave us not only adventure, but also moments of calm and wonder. It was an experience we truly enjoyed as a family, carrying with us memories of Hampi's timeless landscape.